Hi once again everybody, Ezone Constantine right here and you are watching my Facebook live right now, and this program is brought to you by Quant Solution, and now we are live. Now before we go through that, now I want to check with you those who actually just stay tuned with me right here on my Facebook, just pass through and they just suddenly see me that I am live. I just want you to just say hi. Go there in the chat box right there if you can hear me, if you can see me right now. I just want to know what you do right now today. Today is a Wednesday and it's a wonderful day today. And in fact, I just want to share with all of you, I'm so excited about the latest launch that I have right here. Now, before we go through that, now you are not watching a recording, guys. This is live, right? So let's see right here. Who want to give me a comment first right here? So who's actually watching me? So I just want to check. Is it you guys can hear me clearly? Okay, if yes, then you just type there on the chat box so that I can know that you guys can listen to me live right now. So, yes, I'm so excited right here. Really, this couple of days, my team and I right here, we are working hard for the past couple of months to actually create one of these amazing learning course right here called the UFP. Shortly, I'm going to share with you what is it all about. And right here, let me have a look here. If you guys can hear me and those who can watch, can see me right now. So just go ahead and type in the chat box. We are live right now. So I'm so excited, guys. So let me have a look here. Who's on the line right here? Go ahead there. Type in the chat box. Okay, who's live right here with me today? Okay, so just go ahead and type in the chat box. Oh, right. So I hope that you all have your dinner already, and I hope that this year right here, 2019, is going to bring you a lot of joy, a lot of experience right here, and we're gonna talk about what you're going to do in the year 2020. Especially today, for those who are watching me right now, if you're a trader, if you're an investor in financial market, I want you to stay tuned right here because there's a lot of things right here that I want to share with all of you. Okay, so for those who just joined me live right here, once again, welcome right here to Ezone Constantine Facebook live program right here. And this program again brought to you by a Quant Solutions. And I want to say hi to all my partners right here, my team, brother Nick Nut right here and Cezida. How are you guys? This is my awesome team right here that is really working so hard right here with me during this couple of months to produce something is really amazing right here. And I decided to actually do live Facebook today because I'm gonna share with you. I'm so excited right here. I just launched the new program right here called the Ultimate Forex Program, UFP, especially for those who beginner and a newbie in the trading Forex market right here. This is going to be one of the wonderful course for you. And within just a few hours after we just launched this program right here, it's really interesting to see the result. Okay, so yeah, so yes, the result is actually so amazing right here because some of them actually just start to watch already, and some of them already give us a feedback. It is so quickly that to see that how the learning impact them. Okay, so within just a couple of hours, so many people right here just quickly and grab this promotion right here, and I want to thank you to all of you that those who smart enough right here to grab your first early birds promotion right here. Before I go through that, I want to check with some of you here. Some of you saying that you cannot hear me, so I just want to check with you. Just give me a few moments right here. Okay, so I think the sound is all right. Okay. Now, for those who just tuning in right here, just go ahead there, type in the chat box. Where are you listening to me right now? Just go ahead there and type in the chat box. And this is live. This is live. So just tell me where you're listening to me right now. If you can hear me clearly, just go ahead there and type on the chat box. Okay, just go ahead and type in the chat box. So just want to share with you, we are so excited right here. Just within a few hours after we launched the Ultimate Forex Program, a number of people actually subscribing is continue coming every single hour. So I want to thank you, those who watching this right now, those who just subscribe right here, especially for those who in Singapore. We're quite surprised early in the morning right here. Several signups already coming all the way from Singapore and of course Malaysia. And I think very soon is we're gonna have people from Indonesia, Thailand, Brunei, and also Southeast Asia region right here. And hopefully right here we want to see people from Philippines as well to be tuning in right here with the Ultimate Forex program. Okay, so those who just joining me right here, I just want to go quick right here to share with you why I'm so excited to launch this Ultimate Forex program. And just want to share with you that during this couple of months right here, there's a lot thing actually inspired our team right here in the Quant Solution. There's so many things that inspire us when we see traders right here when they trade in the market, especially the foreign exchange market. We talk about Forex market. So there's a few questions right here when a lot of traders that normally approach us or they talk with me right here, they always ask me this question like, how I can trade this Forex market, okay? How I can make money from trading this financial instrument. That's number one. Number two, can I trade with moderate or small capital? So this is a very common question coming from many of them. Number three right here, they always ask this question right here. If I have a small capital, how fast, how quick I can turn the small capital into a big capital. I just want to share with you, I just have a chat with one of my students. He just started trade within, I think, less than 4 weeks. He would be with me. So he's actually a teacher, and he just started to trade, and we just had a conversation just now. He started with capital of a $300, roughly almost $400. Okay, and he trade together, and we give them certain strategy, and he started to trade in the market, and he got a question from some of his family, some of his siblings, asking him what actually you doing, oh, are you trading in the market? How much did you make? So of course, when he got question from his family, he do not know how to answer, but he have no idea actually, because when some of his family ask a question, he say, I just made profit about like $200. Okay, $200. So maybe some of them, when they look at that profit, they say, oh, that's not much, just a little, But I just want to share with you that what is the most powerful part right here is actually he started with almost just only $400 capital. And just a few weeks ago, he just withdraw his first profit of $200, withdraw the real profit right here. And he didn't realize that actually he made almost 50% return on his trading. So I just want to share with you that if you can get about 50% return on your trading, that is amazing, because most of the time I share with my students that they normally get, if the market is correct, the way how they trade the market is, with the right money management, roughly they can, potentially, okay, I use the word potentially, they can get somewhere between like, 3% to 5%. But what happened to them is their result is so amazed me, and many of them right here inspired me a lot. Especially my student, many of them is really inspired me a lot. So they get 50% of profit. And right here, that my student right here, they share with me that they still, try to understand the psychology of trading, because what happened to him actually, this week he already took his profit about $200, and this week actually he's supposed to take $400 profit, which is 100% return from his capital. But one thing right here that always, for newbie trader, especially my new students right here, they're always in the battle of, these two things right here, is between the greed and the fear. So this time right here, what challenged my student in trading right now is actually greed, okay? Because he already used a certain strategy, he started to get a consistent result in his trading, but now he want to control his greed. So he already got his profit about like, $200, $300, and $400. So suddenly he overwhelmed by that, and he want to get more, So yes, it's true. When you start to get more right here, you want to double up. You want to quickly scale up too quickly. So of course, there's a time when the market, a little bit volatile. So you might donate back some of your profit right there. So he dropped a little bit, like from $400 profit supposed to he take this week. So he suddenly end up taking $100. So he gave me two situation right here. He talked to me right. He said, sir, what should I do right now? Because I supposed to take $400 profit, and right now I only managed to take $100 profit. So this is a situation right here where the profit Okay, the profit is actually reduced. Okay, that's the situation number one. But at least he still end up with profit. So I asked him a question right here. So this situation right here, is it good or is it bad? Okay, and then I told him one question. I asked him this question right here. What if I give you a second situation right here? What if the second situation is you lose 50% of your capital? So this one right here, you lose almost, how many percent of your profit? And the second situation is, what if you lose 50% of your capital? Suddenly I show him this situation right here. So I know that he feel like, he feel a bit sad, like, oh, I supposed to take a lot of profit right there, but now I only left this. But at least he still end up with profit. But right here, I give him a situation. What if you lose 50% of your capital? Suddenly, you start to see a few things, totally in different perspective right here. So he messaged to me, he's like, yeah. So psychology of trading is actually very, very important right here. Okay, so that is very interesting story from one of my students right here. Now, the reason also why we create this Ultimate Forex program right here, is because one reason right here is because of a lot of them right here, they came to me and asked me a question right here because I know that many of them, they want to trade the Forex market or regardless, stock market or commodities or whatever. Most of them right here, you all have one reason. You all actually want to know how to make more money in financial instrument because money right here, a lot of reason why. So I asked all of them question right here. This right here, the financial instrument that you're about to trade, I understand that you either make more money or maybe if you don't have the right knowledge, you can lose money. But I want to ask them question right here. Why is the reason behind actually you want to trade the market? Is it just because of you want to make a lot of money or what you want to do with that money? So I gotta tell you that at least about 60 to 70%, most of them, they give me this feedback. So most of them, they say, if I manage to get this money right here, what I plan to do is actually I would like to take this profit every month to actually cover my monthly bill. So this is what I always listen, the reason why they actually want to trade in the market. So most of them, they say that if I could get an extra profit right here, I would like this profit right here to cover my house rental. Okay, so that's some of them, they feedback to me. Some of them also feedback to me that at least they can cover, their house loan, they can cover their car loan, they can cover some of the monthly expenditure, the utility bill, and they feel good about it. Okay, without disturbing their profit from the salary that they get. So that's number one. That's very pretty much what every trader that came to me and they tell the reason why. Now, the next reason why also, why they came to me and asked questions is because they really, really want to be one day to really quit their job. Because some of them, they really work really hard. I mean, they have two jobs and two shifts. So sometimes some of them, they have to work 16 hours. So they came to me and asked me this question and say, Sir Ezone, the reason why actually I want to trade this market right here because I work so hard for my family. I got children, I got kids, but my kids sometimes do not know who I am. The reason is actually I work so hard. I provide food for home, okay, provide food for, for my family, my kids, but end up my kids do not know who I am because every time I come back home, my kids already fall asleep. Okay, usually my wife and my kids, they have a lot of bonding. So most of them right here, especially the guy, especially the husband, they came to me and they talked to me because they feel guilty for their wife, and they feel guilty because they don't manage to spend a quality time with their children. And of course, some of them, they share with me, they did envy a little bit with their wife because, the children have a special connection and special bonding, with their child. And he is the one actually working so hard, get more money for the family. Okay, and end up he is the one actually not spending time, but he's the one to bring the profit in. So he want to actually know, beside his job right here, can he use another alternative right here? Okay, so that one day if trading can become, if he able to achieve a consistent result in his trading, he would like to slowly do it part-time, and one day he want to do it full-time, and hopefully he can quit his job, okay, and do this as a full time. So this is a second reason why they came to me. Now the third reason right here I want to share with you why they actually come to me, and they inquire actually about trading in Forex market. I want to share with you that beside these two people right here, beside this kind of question that I shared with you previously, some of them right here really face a serious challenge in their life. Okay, so I want to share with you that this Ultimate Forex program, UFP, is not that we just build it out of nowhere. It's actually, there's a reason why we built this way, because the people right here, the people that actually we want to know actually how to help them. So we know that we have this instrument right here that able to help them. So we have a people right here, they have a health challenge. Okay, regardless, maybe they have maybe they cannot walk. Some of them they have health challenge. Maybe they have problem, maybe liver failure. Maybe some of them they have challenge in certain part of their body right here. Some of them, because of the health challenge right here, they suddenly have to quit their job right here and do not know what to do next. Because some of them right here, if they want to start to do online business, or they want to start to do other things, they may maybe not get used to it. So that's the reason why they come to me, hey, and ask me a question, because at least they're going to be at home right here, trade the market and make some profit right here, while even though they still have a challenge in their health, but at least with the laptop and the computer and the internet, they're able to trade the market. So this is the third reason right here why actually we want to create this Ultimate Forex program. Now the fourth reason right here is actually some of them, they really want to trade this market right here, so that because of compounding reason. They want to trade the market so that they can compound some of their profit right here. As time goes by, this money right here eventually will be used to purchase their future house, the house that they want, the dream lifestyle that they want, okay, the travel that they want. So most of them right here, this is the among the strong reason why they want to trade the market. Now the fifth reason right here, okay, the fifth reason right here is the children education. They want to actually find something extra money right here to help for the children education. I believe every parents right here, they really want something great for their children. So because of this right here, beside that, there's so many questions right here, there's so many inquiry right here, but the reason behind, I'm so excited right here that to know, and I'm very happy that they're all very honest to me and tell me what's the reason behind. It's not just because of money, guys. It's not because of just money, because you have a real reason what you're going to do good with that money. And that's the reason why we came up with this program. I gotta tell you all that we can trade ourselves. But I think that we have a call right here actually to help them, in trading. But also I want to share with you that the reason also we want to create this program right here, because I'm tired to see people desperate. Okay, they're so desperate to jump into the market because the situation is pressuring them. I know that some of you probably have pressure, to pay some of your bills, some of your loans, some of, you got pressure. Okay, so when you got pressure right here, a lot of you, without realizing that so many people out there is actually become a victim of, quick rich scheme. They don't want to, put effort right here, so jump into any scheme, put their money there, and they give their money to other people to manage, especially those who don't have license right there. So that will be very dangerous. So, and some of them right here, I know they blindly jump into trading the market right here without any prior experience. They don't even understand what is pips. They don't even understand what is the currency, how many pairs they should trade. Okay, what is the capital they can get started. They have no idea about the price movement right here. So it is so scary and it's so dangerous right here that I see many of the newbie traders just quickly jump and trading the market without knowing what they need to do. They have no foundation, they have no basic. So I feel worried about them. I'm really concerned about them. So that's the reason also we create the Ultimate Forex program. So today I'm so excited right here to share with you that we create this program right here to actually help, especially for those who are beginner and those who are newbie right here. I really want to help this group right here to break through. Now, let me share with you, I'm talking about when you are in the level of beginner and newbie. I'm talking about you have no prior experience, zero knowledge in trading the Forex market. And I'm talking about those who already 2 years, okay, in the market, trade the Forex market, and still not see any result. I'm talking about not even withdraw any of profit. You continue deposit, 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 but no profit at all. Never take profit. Some of you maybe lost in a few rounds. Okay, some of you maybe margin call, hit too many stop loss right here. So you are still considered for me under category of beginner and newbie. So this ultimate forex program right here, we actually right here in the team right here, we want to help this kind of group of people right here to actually have a breakthrough. Breakthrough means actually you able to really, from this level right here, from just break even, not having real profit right here. I want you to actually shift slowly from the newbie level to real trader. Because I see so many of you right here also newbie. You read many books, you purchase so many courses, you buy all the indicators. Tell me, some of you maybe in your computer right now, you have 100 to 200 kind of indicators, but yet you still don't have the result. Why? You spend a lot of money, right? I know that. You attend many courses right here. You read a lot of blogs. You follow YouTubes. You read Telegram. Some of you, I think maybe you have 20 to 30 Telegram groups just talking about how to trade Forex market. I know some of the group out there is really good. There's no problem for you to join the Telegram group. But when you have too many groups, how you want to focus? And some of you, when you have too many of these things, you still stuck in the same level right here. You did not move. You did not go to the next level. So this is the part right here that we don't want you to be forever newbie. Okay, this is the reason why we create this program. We don't want you to be forever newbie that's stuck in the same level. Newbie, beginner, newbie, beginner. Never take profit, never even have your first 10% ROI, never even have your first 50% ROI, never even achieve your first 100% return on your investment on your capital. This is the group that we're concerned about. Okay, now for those who watching this program right here, if you already trade the Forex market and you already have successfully trade in the market, you are a coach, you're a teacher, this program may be not for you. Okay, because this program is definitely for those who absolutely newbie. Those who are the pro, you maybe want to go for mastery course or advanced program. Okay, so now again right here, reason why we create this ultimate forex program is because of this. We don't want you to be forever just stuck as a beginner and as a newbie. We want you actually to have a breakthrough. And when you have a breakthrough, I want to be there with you. Our team right here, we want to be there with you. We want to see you break through your first 10% ROI. We want you to break through actually your first 50% ROI. We want to actually break through your fear of trading the market. We want to go through with you the first step right here. Your step 1 from A, B until Z. Okay, so I just want to share with you that, okay, now I just want to check if you guys can see my screen right here. You guys can see my screen? Okay, if yes, just go ahead and type in the chat box. I want to see how many of you are right here. Okay, so wow, there's many of you right here tonight. So once again, welcome right here to this Facebook right here live with me, Ezone Constantine, and this program today is brought to you by Quant Solutions. Okay, so this is the program right here, the Ultimate Forex program, and this is going to take by storm right here. We're about to bring our message right here to actually help a lot of traders right here. So Ultimate Forex program, again, as I mentioned to you, all of you right here, this is not just a regular online learning course. This is not the normal video tutorial that you can get from the YouTube. This is not just a simple price forecasting methodology or technical indicators. No, it's actually more than that. It's not just you learn about support and resistance. It's actually beyond than that. Okay, so I want to share with you deeper. We want to share with you the holistic way that you can see from few angles. I can say that right here, this Ultimate Forex program, I can tell you that this is considered that I know I've been purchased also several of this program right here, but I can tell you that this Ultimate Forex program, this online course right here is the most complete program for beginner from A to Z. Not that you just break through from beginner right here, you will slightly break through into advanced level. Okay, so this is what I'm saying right here. So UFP right here, if you want to trade the Forex market, UFP is a must for you to have. It's a foundation for your learning. It's a core learning for you. Okay, again right here I have a disclaimer right here. Okay, UFP is actually not to teach you how to get rich quicker. Okay? No, nothing to do with that. It's only teaching you actually the most powerful mindset, methodology, and your psychology, money management right here while you trade. Now, I have students right here, they didn't know that by having a consistent strategy right here, they're able to achieve quicker. Even though you want to be rich quicker right here, but I don't promote you be rich like you put $100 today, tomorrow is become $10,000. No, no, no. This is not that program. If you're looking for, you put $100 and turn into $10,000 next day, this program is not for you. No, I don't do that kind of program. You have to find some other program outside of the world can do that. No. Okay, this is not about a program also that you put $10,000 and it can turn 1 million by next 2 weeks. No, this is a really strategy, hard work. But if you really follow certain guidelines right here in this program right here, you should able to earn slightly more compared to what you have right now. Okay, so this ultimate course is actually where I can mention right here. Where's our expertise here? Our expertise right here is UFP is the expert to help beginner and newbie to have breakthrough from newbie to a real trader. Okay, this is what we expert on right here on Ultimate Forex Program. We want you to bring you to break through your first barrier right here. From your scared touching the button, buy and sell, we're gonna be there with you. From you having your first 10%, we're gonna be there for you for your profit. When the first thing right here, when you cut losses, okay, when you feel sad, you need somebody to talk with, we are there with you. Okay, we want to guide you to break through until one point that you independent, you can fly on yourself, you can become from advanced to pro trader. Okay, so we are right here going to help you we're going to help you to actually have a real breakthrough right here until you understand the core of your learning. Some of you right here, you may take about 2 months to break through. Some of you very quick, 1 month, you already have your breakthrough. Some of you may take 6 months to have a breakthrough. So yes, okay. So this is going to be, that's where actually we expert on. So when somebody asks me questions, so what is UFP? Why you guys gonna be so different than the others? So this is where I'm gonna say with you, honestly speaking, that this is where we expert on. Okay, we help beginner and newbie to break through instead of they just stuck in learning process. We want to go them to do it and become a real trader. Okay, next part right here, I just want to share with you that my team and I, we just want to say that this is 100% complete learning course, A to Z, complete from your learning. Shortly, I will share with you what you're going to learn inside. I'm so excited about this. Okay, so this is I want to share with you some of my students that already learn with me. Okay, and I have several of them. Actually, I want to share with you so many of them. They have a fantastic result right here. I have several students that coach, one-on-one with me, achieve in his trading career. Okay, regardless in stock market or in forex. So this is the students that personally have coaching with me as well. Okay, and I have this one student right here. Break through his first 100,000 ringgit profit, which is $25,000 with me. So if you go to the website right here at www.ezoneconstantine.com/UFP, you can see our first testimonial right here. And we have a brother Bruce as well. This is a fantastic trader right here. He have no idea that he learns so quick and so fast. I think if he's watching right now, okay, I just want to share with this trader right here. I'm talking about this Mr. Bruce right here. He have no idea that actually he have a major breakthrough within just 4 weeks. He learned quick, he learned fast, and he always came to me and he say, "Sir, is it I learn too slow?" I say, "No, you learn too quick, too fast." And I can say that maybe I want to put all my prayer right here to all my students especially, but right here, Bruce have a real reason why. A real reason why he want to trade this market right here, because of his family and his children. Okay, so that one day right here, he want to actually spend more time with his kids. So I hope and I pray right here that if he able to get a consistent result right here, so that one day, maybe next 2 years or 3 years, once he able to get a consistent result, I want to see actually he come back to me right here and say, "Sir Ezone, now I have more time to spend my time with my wife and my kids. So this is the thing right here. So and then we have Mr. Cornelius as well, another fantastic trader right here. He's an online trader. He's a pastor. He's also our affiliate marketers right here, and he's trading. He do several things right here. But again, right here, his result of his trading right here is getting more consistent lately. So lovely, lovely. Okay, so and this is all this student right here. Those who already attend my program, you can see they have amazing, amazing testimonial right here. Okay, so who am I? And some of you maybe know me, some of you may not know me. Many years ago, I'm just an ordinary person just like you, and I tell you this my story right here on this website as well. How actually long time ago, back in many years ago, actually I get to introduce foreign exchange way early compared to stock market. Okay, so I get a chance to see to learn about the forex market because I saw my friend, they make good money in foreign exchange. Some of them they got new watch, buy new cars, and some of them they get married early. So I'm so curious. But this is the part right here that if you see the website right here, if you watch, this is my story right here, that I get fooled by my friend, where some of them they really bullied me because I'm really serious, want to learn how to trade the market with them, but they joke around with me. They don't want to really teach me. Okay, I am so serious about wanting to learn how to trade the market, but they end up don't want to teach me up, and instead they're fooling me around. So I feel hurt, I feel betrayed, and during at the time I don't want to take my victim mindset right here. So I want to push beyond. So instead of putting myself, asking somebody to teach me, but they don't want to teach me, I stop pursuing that one and I go to another person that who willing to teach me because I really want to learn how to trade this market because I know if I know how to trade this market right here, one day I able to spend more time with my family, which is now I'm a full-time trader. I'm a stay-home dad right here, spend more time with my baby and my wife. I able to live the dreams that I wish today that I have many years ago. I get it right here, right now, today. So I'm thankful that I make the right decision right there, and I search for the right mentors, right guru to actually teach me. And the reason also why I want to do this Ultimate Forex program is because of this. Because I know there's somebody out there just like me many years ago really want to learn, but there's nobody actually really want to guide. So I want to be there for you. I want to guide you actually how to do this step-by-step process. And if you manage to do it, I want to know why you want to do this. For what reason? Is it just for money alone? Or you have a real reason for your family, for your loved one? Okay, for some strong reason. You must have a strong reason why you want to trade in the market. So I gotta tell you that if you have a real reason right here, you're able to go through. You're able to become a really good trader. Okay, but if you don't have a real reason why you want to trade in the market, you only half past six, just take things 50-50. Okay, so I have my strong reason right here, the people, the friends, okay, that I really want to help right here. So you can go through this website right here. I share with some of my story there, and I didn't know that by taking that decision right there, it changed my life completely from ordinary person. And today I was shocked that today, I was invited to become a speaker in several big events. And also today I'm considered quite highly paid for because some of them, they want to take one-on-one with me. I could easily charge them 20K, 20,000 ringgit for just coaching alone. Okay, some of them, I charge them 10,000 ringgit for just a couple of hours and give them some strategy. So again, right here, that okay, I know that many of you right here taking personal coaching one-on-one with me is also we have to check the schedules. Okay, so but that's the reason right here that those who did not manage to get one-on-one coaching with me, you stay very far right here. Ultimate Forex program is actually the one that I compile all my thoughts, my ideas right here, put everything the past for 10 years right here, all, and including my team right here, we refine, we select, we put all the best things right here that you able to go through. Okay, now, so I just want to share with you those who actually join this program right here. I want to go quickly right here what you're going to learn inside Ultimate Forex program right here. Now, first thing right here, if you take this program right here, Ultimate Forex program, one thing that what's going to happen to you is definitely your core learning. You're going to emphasize more. You're going to have a more strength, especially your foundation. I know some of you already read many technical analysis book, you study fundamental analysis, but if you go through this program right here, you will learn better. You get more idea because I will share with you something that you don't learn from the books. Okay, I will go through the experience that I put here. Okay, next things right here that I want to share with you, that especially for those who begin and newbie, you will learn how to actually handle your platform. Okay, and I want to share with you also the next part right here is actually how to do right price forecasting, what strategy that you need to use. Some of the method you can apply in trending market, some of the method you can apply during the sideways market. Okay, so I'm also going to share with you the unique trading strategy, and most important part right here is your trading psychology and your money management. Okay, so inside this ultimate forex program right here, the online course, because many of you right here, they asked me this question right here, what actually I'm gonna get inside this online program right here, especially the UFP. So I'm gonna share with you, there's 5 modules all together right here, and I'm so excited right here. I want to share with you 5 modules all together. So module number 1 right here, introduction to foreign exchange. Okay, there's so many videos right here. There's about 19 videos right here. So if I go through this step by step right here, you will see that you will learn about the spot market, learn 28. So if I go through the learning your learning portal right here, so for those who already subscribed right here, I will be giving you your username and password right here. You can go through this section right here. There's a part 1, introduction to foreign exchange market. Part number 2, basic guide to forex trading platform. Part 3, introduction to technical analysis, price forecasting methodologies. Part number 4, the proven currency trading strategies. And part number 5, trading psychology and money management. So let's go right here and have a look. Just a quick tour right here on your learning portal right here. So click view module right here. Okay, and here we are. So excited guys to share with you all this. Alright, so module number 1 right here. So this is a nice video right here. So when you enter to this part number 1 here, there's so many wonderful videos right here. So details. Even I can watch this again and again. It's so beautifully designed right here. It's step-by-step process right here for those who want to learn the market. Okay, so number 1 right here, you will learn about introduction to foreign exchange. So you click play the video and you're going to learn immediately. So every day you spend about 1 or 2 or 3 videos learning. Is a very comprehensive video right here. You can learn anytime, anywhere. Okay, so what is spot market right here? So let's have a look at one of the video here. Okay, so learn 28 major and minor currency. Did you know that the US dollar is the most traded currency in the world? Okay, so if you have a very good connection, you can select right connection right here. So this is the learning right here that you're gonna have. Hi once again everybody, Ezone Constantine right here on getting started in forex trading. Okay, so there you go. There's so many videos right here. I'm so excited. So you will learn a lot right here. 19 videos altogether, very details. You learn about the currency pairs. You also learn about the 6 major players, who actually the major players actually moving the market. You also need to know how the central banks move the interest rate. Very important for you as a trader. You also will learn how actually the commercial bank affecting the market. I'm talking about big bank like JP Morgan, Deutsche Bank, HSBC, and many more. So I'm going to share with you all more right here in this part number 1. Part number 7 right here. I will share with you what actually is PIP. Some of you trade the forex market and still have no idea what is actually PIPs. So this video right here will explain to you step by step what is actually percentage in points in percentage. Okay, how you calculate your profit and loss. Okay, and what is bid, ask, and spread. Okay, and then learn the forex language. Okay, you will know about what is bull and bear market, and you also will learn about the fundamental analysis right here. I will share with you how actually to understand the economic calendar right here. For those who trade it right here, you need to know if the US federal increase the rate, what happened usually in the market. If they reduce, what is going to happen. If they have a result on the jobs or whatsoever, you need to know what actually it will impact to the market. So you see, when you want to trade the market, you need to know all this. So that's the reason some of you, when we talk about, hey, did you know that today we have a high impact news? They have no idea what is it all about. Oh, no wonder today my trade is, went up and down. It's like haywire. Oh, there's the news. So this is the part right here we want to share with you. The economic calendar right here that you need to observe, every week. Okay. And then the next thing right here, part 11, you don't want to miss this, the 9 reasons why you should trade Forex market. And part 12 right here, the top 10 mistake made by Forex newbie. You want to watch this part, okay? Because I will share with you the past how many years right here. This top 10 mistake is, repeatedly, happen to traders, even though they already advanced trader. This is the top 10 mistakes, And I got to tell you that some of this advice right here, when you take it, it can help you to save almost $40,000 of your cost. Okay, because some of you didn't know that just one piece of advice, just one piece of the tips right here can help you to save a lot of your money. Okay, you see, learning, for me, the best part right here is actually learning from mentors that already have 30 years experience. This is the reason why I always spend my time with the mentors already in the market, like 30 years, okay, 35 years in the market. I want to know what kind of mistakes that they make. And after I gather this information right here, I want to know actually how it can help me. It's true. It helped me a lot. And all this interview right here, I compile together and I share with you right here so that you don't make the same mistake like them. Okay. The reason why they become good today is because they avoid all these mistakes. Okay. And I also want to share with you in a part 13 right here what's the difference between Forex market and stock market. Some of you get confused. What is different between trading or investing in stock market and the difference between you trade the currency? Okay, this is the part right here that you will know the difference. But I can tell you quickly right here because I trade both market as well. I trade Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange. I also trade the international, stock market as well, New York Stock Exchange and currency. The difference is, I can tell you quickly, is if you trade the stock market right here, there are so many companies that you need to study. Like a stock market, like Bursa Malaysia alone. Wonderful stocks. We have a lot of wonderful stocks. In fact, some of the stock I put there, I invest, okay, for long term. But in Malaysian company, we have almost like 900 companies. So you need to study it one by one, okay? But if you trade currency, you only need to focus on the first 7 major pairs and the other 21 pairs for your minor currency to trade. Not that much. It's only that pairs. So a lot of differences right here. Okay, I also will share the pro and the cons between both sides. Eventually, it's up to you to choose which kind of financial instrument that you want to trade. Okay, the next part right here, broker, ECN, STP. This is the part right here that we are tired to see out there. We know that some of you get scammed by Forex. The reason is because you don't know that, some of they disguise like because I gotta tell you that foreign exchange, okay, I want to share with all of you right here, especially for those who begin it right here. Foreign exchange is a legal business, is one of the big business in the world. If you compare stock market combined altogether versus currency, Forex market is the largest in the world. Okay, the most liquid market. Today alone, every day, daily turnover is about $6.6 trillion, my friend. Yes, $6.6 trillion. If you convert this to ringgit, I gotta tell you that it's more than how many? 20 plus trillion dollar turnover every day. Money in and out every day. So if you talk about stock market right here, if you combine together New York Stock Exchange, Tokyo Stock Exchange, and other stock exchange combined together, it's only worth a few $100 billion turnover. So I'm talking about Forex market is big, but however, I need to share with you also, you need to be extra careful because nowadays there's so many things right here can scam anyone. Here, right here in this part 14, I want to tell you that how to avoid the Forex scam because some of them they disguise like the Forex company right here. Then you open up, you have no idea that you actually trade or open your account with the wrong company. Okay, that's one. Number 2. They're considered a good broker. I will share with you there's a few type of brokers. Some of it is good brokers, some of it is a very manipulative broker. We call this broker is a market maker. They change the price, it's up to them. They did not follow the real price movement. So you end up always hit your stop loss and you have no idea why. The reason is you are opening up account with a market maker. The market maker means if you lose, they win. If you win, they lose. So some of the market maker right here, No matter how good is your trading strategy, no matter how fantastic is your technical analysis, no matter how good your fundamental analysis, but they purposely hit your stop loss, there you go. One of the reason you get knocked out from the game. So this part right here, we want to share with you what is the ECN broker, STP broker, DMA, and also how to avoid manipulative broker. So these will be covered on the part number, module number 1. So we also want to share with you the brokers regulation and how to identify. This is one of the things here. So how to identify the manipulative market maker brokers. Okay, and if there is a market maker brokers, what you need to do, to make sure that they do not take advantage against you. Okay, so part number 18 right here, what retail traders need to know before running, and part number 19, bonus website and mobile apps that you can go through. So there you go, part number 1. And when you click part module number 2, this is the part right here that you want to hands-on. Okay, very interesting right here. You want to hands-on on your, you want to hands-on on your trading platform. Okay, you must know how to handle your, your laptop, your desktop. Okay, it's very important because you want to get an edge of your trading right here. You must know your tools. Okay, so here you will learn about how to open your account, how to fund your money, how to withdraw your profit, how to log into your broker website, how to deposit, how to make sure that you have a pro fund, make sure that you don't involve in money laundering. Okay, so it's very important today. Okay, and those who want to get a swap fee, I will share with you step by step right here how to download from A until Z. We're gonna guide you one by one how to create your demo account, how to log in into your live real trading account, how to add the currency into your watch list, how to identify spread. Some of you, I'm talking about spread and swap, especially for those who newbie. They already trade the market for 1 year, but they still do not understand what is actually the swap fee and what is actually spread. Yes, I'm surprised. 1 year they trade in the market and they still don't understand what actually spread is all about. So yeah, so you will learn right here on the module number 2 how to view your chart tips, basic tips and setups, how to use the buy and sell button. We're going to go through with you, and how you can have a multiple time frame on your platform. So you will see it right here. And part 17 right here, tips on how to use your navigator, oscillators and indicator. Part 18 right here, how to use your terminal for profit taking, close position, step by step, one by one. How to draw a trend line. I share with you step by step how to draw, how to put this, how to add in colors. Very, very details, my friend. Okay, trading panels, how to use pending. Okay, this is important. How to use a pending order, buy and sell. Okay, there's like sell limit, buy limit. Okay, that's really going to help you. Sell stop, buy stop, all right here. I'm going to share with you step by step on how to do that. Okay, and upcoming right here, we want to share with you, we also create a very interesting program right here, which is the CTK Trading Pad Pro. How you can take profit in stages using our new unique trading virtual button right here. Okay, part 24 right here, how to set trailing stop loss effectively, and part 25, how you can use your mobile phone, just in case if you don't use your laptop or your desktop, how to trade effectively using your mobile phone. So this is part right here, you will learn all the tips and tricks right here. Very details, one by one, step by step guide, one by one from A to Z. Okay, now module number 3 right here. Okay, now module number 3, this is where the thing is getting more interesting. Okay, you will learn details about the price movement. So this is the part right here, introduction to technical analysis, the price forecasting. We will share with you how to actually forecast the price movement. Okay, where you predict is gonna go, and this method right here is already tested and at least is documented for the past 100 years ago. You see, you want to trade in the market, at least you must have methodology. Okay, and this methodology at least must be tested 50 years, 100 years, or we have one method right here is almost 300 years. Yes, my friend, it's 300 years already. 300 years ago already existed, and until today is still effective. Okay, so price forecasting is actually taking from the the old methodology, is again use the same method right here, and normally can see usually around 60 to 70% outcome. So this is the function of price forecasting right here. And as a trader right here, if you want to trade in this market right here, this skill is 100% a must to learn for you. Again, right here, you have no business to trade in Forex market if you don't understand module number 3. Even I'm scared for you. You trade the market and you have no idea about the price movement. Oh, I'm scared. I gotta tell you that you will lose a lot of money in the market because Forex market is very volatile and it's a very wild market. So you need to have this module number 3 right here to guide you. So inside this video right here is very interesting. We have altogether we compile about 23 parts right here, very interesting, you can go through. So we unveil you the secret behind my price forecasting. You learn how the chart constructed, how the price move in trend, tips how to draw the trend lines. Okay, I share with you also here the 3 classification of trend and how to write the psychology behind the support and resistance. Not only just the support and resistance right there, but you need to know the idea behind it. Okay, how to trade when the support resistance reverse the role, that you need to know as well. The secret of Fibonacci, also I'll share right here in this program, part number 8 and part number 9, how you do also projecting using Fibonacci projection. Okay, and those who love Elliott wave, Fibonacci is one of your game. Okay, now part number 10, how to identify bullish reversal patterns, how to identify bearish reversal patterns right here, and how to take advantage when you see this kind of pattern when you trade the market. Okay, now part number 12 right here. Okay, you learn about how to trade the bullish continuation patterns, how to trade the bearish continuation patterns. You see a lot of stuff right here, a lot of cool stuff right here waiting for you guys right here for your learning. Okay, and part number 14 right here, how to use long-term chart. Okay, for those who trading 3 weeks to 3 months right here, it is very important for you to have the view for long term. Okay, now because we have so many type of trader. Some of them, they love to trade short market, like less than 1 hour market. So they are known like a scalper. Okay, scalper, they look the chart for 5 minutes, they see a nice entry and they go in. So this is scalper. Second one, we have an intraday, means they only like to buy and sell within the same day. They do not carry forward their trade. Okay, before they sleep, they must close the trade regardless profit or loss. They'll just close the trade. So that's intraday trader. Now, for those who are busy, those who have 9 to 5 p.m. job, I really recommend you that you need to learn how to swing first. Swing means you hold your trade at least like 1 day to 3 days or 1 week. Okay, it's good for you because you don't need to spend more time, in front of your screen. Okay, and last but not least is the position trader. They really hold their trade to 3 months to 6 months. Really hold it very, very long. Okay, so position trade is not like position trade in the stock market. Position trade in stock market means you buy, hold 3 to 5 years. Okay, that is stock market. But in currency, you don't have that privilege. For position traders right here, normally you will hold like 3 months to 6 months. So part number 14, we're going to share with you how to use the long-term chart to actually guide you how to trade correctly. Now, part number 15 right here, the idea behind moving average is not just like you learn about the moving average, but you need to know the real function of the moving averages right here. Okay, part number 16 right here, I'm going to share with you double, triple, and Bollinger Bands. Okay, part number 17 right here, the power of stochastic oscillator during the non-trading market. Part 18 right here, what is the really trading idea behind RSI and MACD? Even though you've seen this many times, but many beginner and newbie, they still miss out the real idea behind using these oscillators and indicators. Okay, and I'm going to share with you the function of ATR, average to range, how going to help you as a trader. And this is my favorite part right here, part number 20 and 21. 300 years ago, Japanese candlestick. This is one of my favorite right here to really spot the turning point. Okay, as a trader right here, this method right here, it's gonna give you extra advantage when you trade the market. Okay, so fantastic right here. Part number 3 right here. So many things that you can learn right here. Now, if I could share with you all this methodology right here, if you take professional course right here, I can tell you that could easily cost you about 20 to 30K. I take professional course and professional certificates. I spend a lot of money to learn. And right here that I boil down everything right here for you so that you can learn. But you don't need to take exam, but you need to learn right here what kind of learning method right here can help you as a trader. So that you're going to get for module number 3. So module number 4 right here. Okay, module number 4. So this is the part that is going to get interesting. After you learn right here from the module number 3, you're going to learn how to apply. So learning is, for me, like say for example, you want to go to swim. I know that some of you buy, the books, okay, swimming for dummies, say for example. So you buy the book and then you read the books. Okay. Oh, first you need to do this. Okay. Second you need to do this. So you still reading that books. Okay. But if you want to really know how to become a good swimmer, you gotta jump to the pool and swim. So you're gonna have a coach that's gonna kick you and go down. So that's how last time my late mom. I told my mom, I said, Mom, I want to learn how to swim. My mom said, Really? You want to learn how to swim? I said, Yeah. Is there any book that can teach me how to swim? So my mom brought us, to the swimming pool, and she just kicked me to the big swimming pool. I went down there. I drowned. Oh, that's the first experience when I'm about to swim. I drown. I shout. I call for help, and there's a guy that throw me, the float. And the moment I managed to grabs the air and hold on onto the float, I look at my mom. I say, Mom, are you trying to kill me? She said, No. That's the first thing that you need to do to survive in the market or to survive in the swimming. You need to learn to drown first. You need to feel like, don't have the air, because that's the first step right here. You need to go through, struggling during the first step right here. But after you manage to get certain techniques, you're able to breathe normally. So my mom shared that, look, this is swimming is all about. You need to understand first what is the difficult part first about swimming. So step by step, I start to learn, and I get better in swimming. Same go with your trading. You once you learn already, it's time for you to apply. You will be learning into the market. So in this part right here, module number 4, I'm going to share with you the strategies that I use right here in the market, and how newbie and beginner, you can use this method right here to trade. Simple. Use this method right here before you learn to become pro trader. Learn this simple method here, how to trade. So here I've shared with you several strategy right here. We have about 6 part right here, details, step by step right here. Especially this part right here, UFP divergence 1. I'm going to share with you because we did something right here on this trading indicator right here. Going to help you to actually look at the signal right there and trade along with the market. So it's a very detailed program right here. It's not only just about you learn the trading strategy right here. I'm going to share with you the entry point, the holistic way how to look at the entry point, how to actually see your take profit level. But most important part right here, when you enter the market, I want to share with you how you control the risk. I tell you that in trading Forex market, there will be a chance also you will hit stop loss. There you go. You need to control the risk. So I want to share with you where's the area that you need to do your stop loss, how to manage your risk, where's the nice area for you to do your stop loss. Okay, there's no 100% strategy can win everything. I want to tell you the truth. There's no system in the world can win 100% of the market. If that's what you try to find here in this program, I'm going to share with you that I will be frank with you. No, I don't share with you 100% winning strategy. Why I say so? Look, we have a currency king. You know who's the currency king in the world? George Soros, one of them. Jim Simmons, second. Okay, and we have John Henry and many more. They are the billionaire in the currency market. But why George Soros still lose money? So ask this question right here. If a George Soros can lose money in the market, so what does it mean for us right here, the normal trader? Again, right here, there's no such thing as 100% perfect program. Even though we have like a person like Jim Simmons, the quant's king, okay, they use arbitrage and many more, but they still will be affected by the market. But right here, as a trader, you need to learn the basic strategy that can give you the edge to win the market and control the risk. Do you still lose money right here? You're still going to hit some stop losses, but how you manage the risk, how you actually make sure that your risk is very minimal, but profit you maximize. Okay, so that's very important right here in this strategy. Okay, and as time goes by right here, if we think that we're going to add in more right here, we will add more strategy right here. And those who manage to subscribe this program, the first 100 right here, you are going to be the most lucky person, because you managed to get the most earlier one, and there's always new something coming in. We're always going to update right here in this learning platform. Okay, so module number 5 right here. So many of them thinking that after, okay, I already have the right strategy, I already have the the right analysis right here. Is that going to be my winning edge trading the market? No, you still need another two final elements to become a successful trader. Remember, as a trader right here, you need three powerful elements. Element number one, yes, it's true, you need methodology. Okay, M. This like three M is important recipe to become a good trader. So first is actually methodology. So there's a part right here, module number 3, module number 4. I emphasize a lot about methodology. But you need another two elements right here to help you to become a good trader. Mindset, okay? Mindset, the psychology while you trade the market. And last but not least, money management. Guys, I told you, I've seen people, they trade in the market, correct strategy, but mindset, they're driven by greed. Some of them, they manage to make $20,000 on that particular week, but they can lose everything by next week. They already have the correct strategy. They know what to do. They already know what kind of risk management, but they go against the way how they should trade because they're driven by greed. So they make money, $20,000, and can lose. Another one I want to share with you is real happening to some of them. They lose 600,000. Some of them, some of traders, they came to me. They saw lose 600,000. For me, you lose 20,000. Okay, like all right, that news, that kind of story is actually quite common that you listen in the market. But winning. Some of them they're winning. This is a real story right here. They win a few millions in the profit trading and lose straight with 600,000, driven by greed. Okay, driven by greed. Okay, so that's why I say the trading psychology right here that you don't want to miss right here. The module number 5, trading psychology. I will share with you why the currency king see things different, and I want to share with you the dilemma of a newbie, what you need to do and what to do if you see the situation. This is where I will share with you all the experiences right here in this module number 5. Okay, now the next part right here, we're going to talk about money management. Many of you already know how to trade the market. You have certain strategy right here, but you go against your money management. Instead of you should risk, your trade somewhere between 5% to 10%. Some of you become so crazy. I mean, naughty a little bit. Okay, some too clever. So I have several students, very aggressive traders. So they're willing to take 100% risk of their capital. So yes, some of them, they manage to get, quick profit. Of course, you put more. If the market is correct, you get more. But what if the market go against you? You'll be kicked out from the game too soon. Now, again, right here, I want to share with you, Forex market is not about who is the fastest to get rich. Okay, who's the fastest, to make more money. No, in the Forex trading right here, who stay longer in the game, that counts. It's like a marathon, it's long run. You want to stay in this game right here for the next 5, 10 to 20 years. So it's not about how you get rich quick, how you get profit quick and you out from the market. No, it's more about how long you stay. So that's why the money management right here is important. So I share with you all of you right here in this program right here. Part number 4, learn how to scale up or down with smart money management. Understand the value at risk, VAR. So I'll share with you right here in this video right here. And I also prepare you a very simple spreadsheet, Excel file to help you to guide how to key in, your money management, how to manage when you take multiple trade. You need to control so that you don't go over your risk quota. Okay, and part number 6 right here, I share with you the 20 tips money management and trading guidelines. Okay, now, so this is an interesting part right here that you can get at the UFP, and I'm so excited right here to share with you. And my team and I, Zida and Nicknut right here, we're so happy to welcome to all of you right here, especially the beginner and newbie, to join this program right here. And this program right here, I think is for the next 3 to 5 years right here. I can say that this UFP is going to be the most compulsory program for anyone. I believe like any broker's house right here will come and approach this program right here to give to the newbie to learn, because this program right here cover up almost all the important essence right here. So if you think about the trade Forex market, think UFP. This is the first step right here that you need to learn first before you become advanced or pro trader. You must go through this program first, UFP. Okay, so if you want to get more details right here, don't forget to click the link right here that we have, ezoneconstantine.com/UFP. And many of you asked me this question right here. what is actually for those who interested to get this program right here. So again, I share with you that all this, my entire learning course right here that we built is easily worth 9,799 ringgit. Okay, and beside that, I want to share with you that when you go to this portal right here, there's a part right here that you can check out this library right here. This library here is very important right here because you can download all the latest notes here. Okay, what is the modules that you're going to learn? You're also going to download the trading indicators right here, going to help you for your trading templates, and the Excel file right here for your risk management. So I'm going to give you also, beside that you can access to this learning right here, you also get 88 powerful, you also get e-notes, indicator, Excel file, and trading templates. I'm talking about beside the 88 powerful videos tutorial, you also get this to access UFP library that worth 799 ringgit for free. So all this program right here is going to help you to 10 times your learning, to improve 10 times of your trading result, and 10 times your learning growth. Means from beginner, you break through to become a real trader. Okay, so for those who want to know about this program right here, you can click the website link that I have right here. Okay, www.ezoneconstantine.com/UFP right here. You can click, you can see there's a link right here that I'm going to share. And for those who are among the early bird right here, so Ultimate Forex program right here, instead of 10,958, those who are the first 100 sign up right here, one-time payment only, you can get access this for lifetime. Okay, yes, for lifetime. Okay, you can access this course right here forever. Okay, you can learn anytime, anywhere you want, so you can access this program, yes, for lifetime. Okay, so it's up to you. You want to study the next 2 months, 3 months. Once you are among the first 100 sign up right here, you can get this for only 997. I gotta tell you that this is totally crazy over, really. Again, this is a steal. Again, so the first 100 sign up, and the moment we see the, you know, this already have 100 sign up right here, I want to give you a huge apology right here. You will never get 997 again. The price will automatically become 1499 right after this. Okay, and I'm gonna share with you a very good news right here. For those who, you know, beside that you have your online course right here, those who sign up before 7th of December 2019, I have a special program for you. Okay, you can claim your VIP spot right here. You will have a live online Forex class with me. Okay, that is worth 2,499 ringgit. It's a 4 days program. It's going to happen 14 to 17 December. Okay, you will learn live streaming with me. It's going to be, the venue is going to be from your home. Just make sure that your internet connection is, is good. It's a live teaching and it's a live discussion right here. You and I, we're going to discuss, we're going to talk with each other right here. So make sure that you stand by, you're ready on the 14th to 17 December. So this is the bonus that you don't want to miss. It's worth 2,499 ringgit. I'm going to give you for free for those who sign up before 7th of December. Okay, so the tentative is 14 to 17 December. So it's going to happen Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So on the 14th and 15th right here, okay, from 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. Yes, it's going to be a long day right here. So you're going to learn with me live. It's Malaysian time. For those who are watching, is you have to follow the Malaysian time. Okay, and the 16, 17 right here. Okay, 16 to 17. Monday to Tuesday, we start on 8:30 to 11:30. We will see the market live. If we see there's an opportunity to trade, we are going to trade the market together. Okay, so don't miss out this 4 days program right here, live online Forex class with me. If you sign up this program right here, 997 right here, you will get this free bonus right here. So don't forget to claim your VIP spots today. Okay, so this is right here. I share with all of you right here. We are so excited about the Ultimate Forex program launching right here. So I hope that you be among the first 100 subscriber right here, because you will learn a lot right here. I don't want you to miss out all this wonderful learning right here. Okay, so once again, for those who just joining me right here, thank you very much for stay tuned with me from the front until the end. Thank you so much right here. So if you want to stay tuned with me right here, don't forget to click on the channel right here, click like on this Facebook channel right here. If you found this program is very helpful for you as well, don't forget to click share the button, click like here. And if you have question right here, don't forget to type on the Facebook. And the most important thing right here is don't forget to visit this website right here to claim your special bonus right here. Go to this website right here, www.ezoneconstantine.com/UFP. It's going to be down here or up there, or it's going to be side here. Okay, so once again, everybody, thank you very much for joining this live program right here, and stay tuned for more info right here, because I want to share with you throughout these few months. I want to share with you more inspiring story of all these beginner traders right here. I want to see how actually you all progress from one level to another. And on behalf of a Quant Solution right here, we want to say welcome to all of you right here to Ultimate Forex Program. Okay, so once again, thank you very much for stay tuned with me. I'm Ezone Constantine right here once again, and I'm signing off. Bye guys, and good night.